The doctor is in now to talk about cravings for high-calorie foods, and according to a new study, eating fruit could make them worse. It's all about the type of sugar in fruit called fructose. The study finds fructose brings on hunger pangs. Dr. David Samadi, chair of urology at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York, professor at Hofstra North Shore LIJ School of Medicine, and a member of the Fox News Medical A team. It's not necessarily fruit that is the villain here. We don't want to tell people not to eat fruit, right? But it's the fructose that is often found in things like corn syrup?
Yeah, that's true. So we want people to know the difference between glucose and fructose. You absolutely need sugar to survive. Your cells need that kind of energy. Glucose is very interesting, which you will get in all of your carbs. What happens with glucose is when it comes to your system, every cell in your body can take advantage of that. Everybody can get that sugar because insulin pumps that sugar in your cells and you can survive and do what you have to do. Fructose doesn't have insulin to help it. So what it does, it goes through the liver and then gets metabolized. When you have a lot of fructose coming in, liver cannot catch up with it. So where do you get that? Sugary drinks, soda, all of these other foods that has high fructose corn syrup will go through the liver, and since they can't get metabolized fast enough, they get into fat. And that's the problem with this. It's not the fructose from your fruits and vegetables. You continue to eat that. That's healthy for you. Those are low glycemic food because it gets in and it gets absorbed and it's gone. When you get a huge surge of fructose in your system, that comes the belly fat, metabolic syndrome, heart disease, diabetes. That's what we're talking about here.
And the research actually found that in many cases consuming fructose makes you want more food. It makes you hungrier.
So this is actually quite interesting. What they did was they looked at a lot of participants. They actually looked on the MRI. When they gave them fructose, the reward system and part of the brain in the frontal lobe started to become very active. What that means is that as you eat a lot of this fructose, sugary drinks and sodas, your craving becomes more. It's addictive. Basically, that's what it is. This is another form of addiction, not just heroin, not just other things. Your brain gets used to it, you build tolerance, and you want more. So next time you see a slice of pizza, you see something else, you grab it. So
watch out for the high fructose corn syrup on the cans and the labels.
Well said.
Dr. Samadi.
Thank you. Good to see you, John.
Thank you.
Thank you.